In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram region country. So first, what you want to do is open up Instagram. If your profile is not a business account, switch to a professional business account. You just follow the instructions. You can say here whatever, you can display it on your profile or not, that's totally up to you. And then just wait up to 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. From here you can say business or creator, but I would say business. And here, as you can see, you can add your business location, street, address, town, city. Let's just type in whatever and zip code, blah blah blah, whatever. We can click done because I don't know the zip code. But basically you input this information, or you can just say don't use my contact information, but that beats the purpose. Then you click next, and basically you will have an account with a changed business address. If that didn't work, what I suggest you do is that you potentially get a new phone with for example, if you want to change your region to USA, new phone, USA SIM card, connect that phone to VPN, and then create an Instagram account that way. That way Instagram will see that you are from the US with the SIM card and the VPN, and that also should work. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, subscribe and comment. This video helped me out if it did. If it didn't, let me know your problems and I will do my best to help you out.